Which is?
Okay. Fast Renovations, GT Property Partners, Dad, Kara,
Audubon, everything else in the mix.
Puppies are rest.
Okay, come take a look over here, Kara. We're framing a shed here. We got, this is nice there, that's nice there. The 2x4 is sunk in here, see?
Okay.
So we don't want to nail that yet. So if you put the hammer on there, you see you pull it out, now you bang it.
And this is the back wall of the shed, correct?
Because we want this to be nice and straight. Okay guys, so take a peek behind there, Kara. We're getting ready we're gonna sheet this wall. We put the Tyvek on. We're actually gonna put all the siding and everything on that wall. So when we flip it up, I don't have to squeeze my fat belly in there to try to do it, because obviously I'm not gonna fit. So we've already picked the height of the wall. This is the vinyl corner for the siding.
Okay.
I've already determined, based on my design that I did at home, which the paperwork's somewhere over there, that we're gonna do a 3/12 pitch. What that means is for every 12 inches away from the corner of the house, it goes up 3 inches. If you look at this roof, it's probably running a 5/12, which is the pitch of the roof. So now I'm gonna take the speed square, if you wanna come in here, Kara. And I'm gonna put this, these are already indicated on the square, see? So if I put this to my 3/12, from that corner, there's my number 3, and draw that line, that's the angle that my roof's gonna be, so I can pre-cut this.
Fancy. Like Steve's outfit today. Steve?
Nothing wrong
DIY.
With Steve. Nothing wrong with Steve's outfit. Fast Renovations, welcome back. Day 2.5 on Mom and Dad's shed. So we're gonna do black soffit, that's here. We're gonna do black fascias. So today our program is we're gonna go all the way around, finish all the black stuff off, then we can trim underneath and finish the vinyl up against the metal. Stay tuned.